There are several different kinds of fire extinguishers. The best kind for general use is the ABC fire extinguisher. This will handle ordinary combustibles, flammable liquids such as grease fires and electrical fires. Always check the expiration date on your fire extinguisher when you purchase it. Make sure the gauge reads full. When using a fire extinguisher, pull the pin as shown, aim the hose, and then you will squeeze the handle and sweep. Sweep the fire side to side at the base of the fire. The word to remember this is pass. Instructions are usually printed on the side of the fire extinguisher. Never store an extinguisher when it's hard to retrieve, like in a cupboard or behind items. Place your extinguisher in an easily accessible location and wherever there's a risk. When grilling, be sure to have a fire extinguisher close by. And remember to clean the filter on your dryer regularly.
We are the Beaufort County Safety Education Team, and we're saying get set and get safe.